Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I want to walk over a drain issue that we have at this customer's house here in Bishopville, Maryland. So let me flip this camera over, show you guys what we got. Okay, you guys can see that we got a hump here. This mound is allowing all this water to come underneath this guy's porch. So you can see the water collecting here. It goes all the way underneath and floods out underneath this porch area. And then some of it's starting to soak into the crawl space. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a drain system that actually on the inside of this porch all the way around here, tie that into a sub pump, and then we're going to take that line and go all the way across here to where there's already a French drain installed that goes down into the storm water ditch. So we'll tie that in and allow this water to flow all the way down there. So if you guys have any yard drainage problems, crawl space drainage problems, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at waterandmoldpros.com. Actually, HydroHero.com.